Hello, this is Professor Rafael Galvez Jr. I'm going to show you that 60 is not equal to 456. Okay, looking for work to make money and have fun, great food, great work, great boss, go to Mama Margie's, open 24 hours, they can get you some money so you can go vacations and stuff and have fun. Think about it, think about it. Anyway, some cash to go on vacation. So let me take this cash away and let's go to vacation. With your 4 best friends. Here it is. Texas 10-day Hawaii vacation with your 4 best friends by Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. Okay? 60 is not equal to 456, and I'll tell you what that means in a little bit. You borrow $60,000 on your credit card at the interest rate of 24% per year and agree to make monthly payments of $1,200.60 per month. There's a formula that'll give you this formula right here will give you the balance on your Hawaii vacation with your 4 best friends, what you owe. That'll tell you what you owe. Now, as you make the payments, payment 1, payment 2, payment 3, this formula will tell you the total of payments made on your Hawaii vacation loan. Okay? So you make payments on it, and this will tell you how much you still owe on it. All right, so total payments right here, and this tells you your balance, what you owe and what you've paid. So graph both functions for 0 less or equal to t less or equal to 358. 358 is months. It's going to take 358 months to pay off this Hawaii vacation with your 4 best friends. All right, just remember, this can be swim, 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 fun, fun, fun with your 4 best friends. We'll be there in the Hawaii vacation. That'll make it worth it, okay? All right, so you got your money. You can be there 10 days. You got your $60,000 on your credit card. Don't worry about it. Have fun. Now, what's going to happen is, let's see. As you zero, you owe $60,000. You haven't made any payments on it. Now, 1 month later, you're back and you make 1 payment. You send the payment in and you ask them, what's my balance? They say $59,909.39, what you owe right now. You want to pay it off? No, I don't think so. 2 months go by. Now you owe $59,998.77. 2 months later. 3 months later, you ask them, you owe $59,998, and you remember you're giving $1,200 every month. 4 months later, you ask for the balance. You have $59,997. This is what you owe. Let's move ahead a little bit. 5 months go by. You call them and ask them, what's my balance? $59,996.184. 12 months later, 1 year after your vacation's over, you owe $59,991.80 on the $60,000 loan. 5 years go by. 60 months, you made payments. $1,200, and you call them and ask them, they say, oh, you still owe $59,930.39. You want to pay it off? No, that's okay, thank you. 10 years from now, after your vacation's been done, you owe $59,699.30 still. 10 years in the future. 20 years in the future after your vacation was done, you owe $56,384.68. Let's keep going. It's going to get better. 25 years have gone by and you only owe $47,927.13.62. Good news, half done. 28.83 years later, 346 payments, now you only owe $29,660.40. That's half. That's like half of the $60,000 loan, huh? It's pretty good. Pretty good. 30 years later, you owe $19,847 and 360 payments, or 30 years. Finally, yay, 31.67 years later, after you went to Hawaii vacation, and remember, all the cool pictures are on the internet. You can look at them over and over and over. 380 months or 31.67 years, you're done. So now, you'll be making payments of $1,260 times 380 to owe only $84, which means to you, you've given from your bank account to the credit card people $456,228. $456,228 in 380 months, or that many years, at that 24% interest credit rate that you got. Now, let's look at something else. As you make the payment, 0, you haven't paid anything. 1 month, you paid $1,260, $2,401, $3601, $4802 and change. 5 months later, you paid 6,000 and 3, 14,000, 72,000, 144,000, 288,000, 20 years. Okay, keep going. 300 months go by, you paid 360,000, 415,000, 432,000, and 380 months later, 31.67, when the loan's going to be done, you paid $456,228 on that loan for 60,000 vacation. All right, so let's look at the table right next to each other. You borrowed 60,000, you haven't paid anything. You paid 1,200, you got credit a little bit. And you made another payment. Now you'll pay this much money. You get a little bit of credit, little bit of credit, little bit of credit, little bit of credit. So let's keep going. 60 months, 120 months, 240 months, half done. When you're half done, 346, you owe now 29,660. But they already took out 415,407.60 out of your bank account to pay for those payments. And finally, at 380 payments, you only owe $84.12. No problem. I can pay that super easy. And you gave them 456,228. Okay, linear function, exponential function. Now, I'm going to map this and graph this so you can see the graph. It's a little bit better if you see the graph. All right, so now let's look at this graph. Check it out. You see, $60,000, you borrow it. As you make payments, it gets lower and lower very slowly. So eventually, after 380 payments or 31.67 years, you paid off the loan. See right here? You paid off the loan. But your payments are being made from your bank account to them. So what happens? So $60,000, 380 payments later, 31 years later, you're done. But 380 months, you paid $456,228 for that $60,000 loan. But think about it. Hawaii vacation with your 4 best friends, it was worth it. It's worth it for sure. Okay? Your friends are always worth it. Okay. Oh, nothing here. Just like water or something. Oh, surfboard, Hawaii. Yeah, remember that? It was great. 31 years ago, it was super great. The surfboard out there. Yeah, it was super, super great. All right. Oh, and the big 40-foot waves, 50-foot waves, 30-foot waves came down and broke your surfboard. Yes, the Mass Shark surfboard that you had for a long time with a little smart bird right here. See it? Smart bird? Broke it. That's okay. Because you were just surfing out there. You had all your Hawaiian stuff on in Hawaii with your 4 best friends. It was super great. Broken surfboard? Yeah, it's okay. So you get the parts for it, so you can get the decals off it. Put it on a new surfboard. All right? So anyway, here it is. You're looking down, and here's all the surfboard stuff, all the Hawaiian stuff on you. And you're looking, there's your nose, there's your face, your hair, looking down for the pieces so you can pick up the decals off this one, put a new one. All right, so that's fine in the ocean, huh? Holy cow, the math monster. Math is fun? Yeah, I say it's fun. But you know what a monster is? A credit card monster. A credit card monster is more scary than this math monster. I'll tell you right now, credit card is more scary because 60,000 becomes 456,000 super easy with finance charges. That's pretty scary, I say. Holy cow, are these guys more scary? The credit card is more scary than this. No, 7 of these are not more scary than the credit card. And guess what? The exponential growth on this, holy cow. There's more, there's always more hiding somewhere. So now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more of these guys. 7 to 7, huh? And there's 7 to 7 there somewhere. Oh, there it is, 7 to 7, right there, 7 to 7. So, what is more scary than 7 to 7 of these guys? I'll tell you. Giant Crunchy walking around. Holy cow. Crunchy, is that more scary? No, I'll tell you right now, no. Tangling with a credit card monster is more scary than this. When 60,000 becomes 456,000, a 24% credit card, that's more scary. I say it is. Anyway, Professor Alfredo Gil Alvarez Jr., hopefully you learned something about credit cards. And good luck. Your vacations with your 4 best friends. Bye. Professor Alfredo Gil Alvarez.